It's time to open up some silver. Let's get into it.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe.
What's up, everyone? This is your boy Henry, and thanks for tuning in. Before we get into the video, make sure you smack that like button, click that notification bell, subscribe if you're new. Also, check out my description below where you will find my social medias and my merch shop. So now we're gonna get into this. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed that little unboxing that I did there. As you see here, we got some silver, which is good. We got us two Philharmonic rounds, a Year of the Horse round, two Sunshine Minton rounds, and one Liberty Buffalo round. And also, I got a gift. Give me 1 second. Now look at that. Now I want to take the time to give a shout out to Guido Stackin. He gifted me this Geiger. This is let me see. It's made in Germany, as you saw there. It is a 1 gram bar. I have 3 5-gram bars, so I guess I'm gonna start a little Geiger collection. I know they were very expensive, but I mean, they look nice. So again, shout out to Guido. Make sure you guys check out his channel. I'll put it in the description below and everything. So we're gonna start talking a little bit about some silver here. All right, I had to put that back. So this makes 34 ounces all total. I have my first tube completely full once I put the rounds in, and then some. I got a loose round, and total I got about 29 ounces of just the coins and rounds. And I got junk silver and fractional silver as well. Now a lot of people be saying not to put your coins or rounds in capsules. I beg to differ. I like the capsules. I like that it gives them more protection and it looks more flashier, you know. I know it increased the value a little bit by having it in the capsule, but that's just me. People say, oh, you're just wasting your money. I mean, it's my money. If I want to spend $10 on some capsules, why not? But I'm liking this stacking journey. Like I said, I'm at 34 rounds and some change, give or take. My goal of the year is to get up to 40 rounds. So you see, I'm approaching that. So that's minimum. Maximum is 50 ounces. Let's say 40 rounds. Yeah, 40 ounces is the minimum. 50 ounces is the max. That's what I want to get up to by the end of this year. And then we'll do another goal. And if I surpass 50 ounces before the end of this year, then I'll probably do 60. We'll see, guys. Yeah, I mean, this is fun. I wish I would have gotten into this years ago, guys. I wish I would have stuck with it and kept stacking, because this is fun. This is literally a best way to save money. This is a perfect savings account and to preserve your wealth. So also, I do have some gold that I'm going to be getting soon. So stay tuned for that. My main goal is to get silver though, but I am going to get gold as well. And yeah, guys, I didn't want to make this video too long. I just wanted to get on here before I go out, because I got to go run some errands and whatnot and show off my new silver. I'm loving this hobby. Well, it's not really a hobby. You can call it hobby or investment, or you know, basically anything you want to call it. You can, you know, call it that. but I'll call it my investment or to preserve my wealth. And also, I'm a prepper stacker as well, because I'm stacking for a economic collapse, or something like that. That's probably going to be happening here in the near future, sadly. So that's one of the main reasons why I'm getting into this now. It's better to have it and not need it, and need it and not have it. So I'm gonna make sure I have this. Hopefully, I won't have to ever need it. Knock on wood. Wait, I got wood right here. There we go. But other than that, guys, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, on the way out, make sure you smack that like button, subscribe, click the click the notification bell. Check out my description below, and yeah, guys, let me know what y'all, if you guys stack and how many ounces that y'all have. Don't say I lost all my silver in a boating accident. Don't be saying that. I'm just curious to know what y'all got, and maybe y'all can show off y'all stacks in my Discord. That'd be fun to show off each other's stack. And yeah, guys, other than that, I'm not going to hold you guys up too much longer. Hope you guys stay safe. Be aware of your surroundings. Get prepared. Carry a gun. And start stacking. And as always, have a nice day. Take it easy, guys.